Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. This one is foldable laundry hamper. You can see there's big space inside. You can put a lot of dirty clothes inside. Of course, you can post toys, magazines, books, anything to make your room tidy and organized. We designed the Velcro to make the lid and the laundry hamper fit closely. And we use the special technology. It's good color first. There's cardboard inside to make the basket firmly. We designed the stainless oval handle for easy carrying. I will show you how to foldable. There's cardboard inside. You can take it out, then foldable. Okay, you can put this inside. And for the packaging, you can use this shrink packaging. And with the color sticker in front of the basket. Outside, backside, you can post the barcode. This product can be used as promotion product. It can load about 4,900 pieces in 40 containers.